I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select an action Fluent Support. Connect to Fluent Support. Next, map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features under the actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. To complete the task, please click on the checkbox and add the support staff. Next, finish and save it. Please access your form and complete all the required fields. Form submitted successfully. Then go to the Fluent Support dashboard and navigate to the tickets. And here, you can see that the data has been successfully received and the ticket has been created. Thanks for watching.